Bright classroom, children sit quietly, ready to learn about feelings. Good morning, children. Today, we will learn about emotions. Students look at their teacher with calm attention.
Can you tell me what happiness feels like inside your heart?
I feel happy when I play with my friends.
Lily speaks softly with a gentle smile.
I feel happy when I win a fun game.
Lucas shares Dincy with excitement in his eyes. Very good, children. Now tell me, what is sadness?
I feel sad when I lose my favorite toy.
Sadness helps us understand others with care.
I feel sad when my friend gets hurt.
That shows kindness, Daniel.
Kindness makes hearts feel safe. What about anger, teacher?
That is a very good question, Emma.
I feel angry when someone breaks my toy.
Anger is a natural feeling, too.
But we must control our anger slowly. Control helps us make better choices. What can we do when we feel angry?
We can take deep breaths slowly.
Breathing slowly makes the mind calm.
We can talk Bronte to our teacher or friend.
I draw pictures when I feel upset. Drawing helps feelings become peaceful.
Drawing helps feelings become peaceful.
That is a beautiful idea, Sarah.
Every child learns in a different way.
The classroom feels happy and safe. You all did a wonderful job today. One day, a small problem begins in the classroom. Hey, that is my pencil. What? No, it's mine.
No, I found it first.
No, I found it first. A misunderstanding starts to grow.
Please do not fight, friends. Emma tries to calm them down. What is happening here? The teacher notices the problem.
He took my pencil. No, it was on the floor. Both children feel right.
Let us solve this together. Problem solving begins calmly.
Maybe we can share the pencil.
Lily offers a kind solution.
Or we can ask whose name is on it. Daniel thinks carefully.
That is a smart idea, Daniel. Listening helps solve problems.
We should not fight over small things.
Sarah shares a gentle truth.
Okay, maybe we can share. Anger slowly becomes calm.
Yes, we can both use it.
Friendship begins again.
I am proud of both of you.
Good choices bring peace. What did we learn today? To share and stay calm. The classroom becomes peaceful again. You are all learning beautifully. The next day, something new happens in the classroom.
Sarah sits quietly holding her drawing.
I worked hard on this. That drawing looks funny.
Sometimes words can hurt.
Oh, okay.
Sarah feels hurt inside.
I think it is beautiful.
Lily shows kindness again.
Yes, you did a great job. Support makes others stronger.
Everyone is different and special. Differences make us unique.
Words can hurt more than we think.
The teacher explains gently.
They can cause deep emotional pain, so we must choose our words with care.
We must speak with kindness always. Kind words build strong hearts.
I am sorry, Sarah.
Heal pain.
It is okay, thank you.
Forgiveness brings peace.
Your drawing is really nice. Encouragement builds confidence.
Thank you. I worked hard on it.
I can tell. It's awesome.
Thank you, everyone.
Sarah begins to feel confident.
This is how we support each other. A strong class cares for everyone.
Kindness and respect make the classroom safe. You are all growing beautifully. One morning, the class gets a new task. Today, you will all speak in front of the class. Some children feel excited, but some feel afraid.
I feel a little scared.
It is okay to feel afraid. Fear is a normal feeling. Fear can help us grow stronger. Facing fear builds courage.
How can we be brave?
Take small steps slowly.
How can we be brave?
Take small steps slowly.
I will try first.
Trying is the first step to courage. My favorite game is football.
Lucas speaks slowly but bravely.
You are doing very well. Support gives confidence.
Thank you, Lily. Thank you, everyone. Confidence begins to grow.
Very good, Lucas. Praise helps build courage. I want to try too. Sarah takes a brave step.
I like drawing pictures.
Her voice is soft but strong.
You are doing great, Sarah. Encouragement removes fear.
Thank you, I feel better.
Courage grows with support.
The class learns to face fear together.
You are all very brave children.